Good morning students, now it's time for maths class and I will be doing revision. Now look at the chapter 2 edition and solve the following. Sanju has 2115 books of art and 1413 English books. How many books does he have in all? So the first step we will add to number of art books Sanju has 2115. First are the units ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and the units are always starting with the ones. In addition or multiplication any sums, the units are always starting from 1. Next, the first step, number of art books Sanju has is 2115. Next, number of English books Sanju has is 1413. Now you have to add these two numbers as they have asked you how much does they have in all. So therefore total number of books he has in all, you have to add, go to the ones place, 5 plus 3 is 8, 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. So therefore total number of books he has in all is 3528. Now the answer, Sanju has 3528 books in all. Go to the next one. Next sums. 4113 toys were sold by the shopkeeper in the morning and 1412 toys were sold in the afternoon. How many toys were sold by the end of the day? So write down the steps. Number of toys the shopkeeper sold in the morning is 4113. Next step, number of toys the shopkeeper sold in the afternoon is 1412. So you have to add these two numbers. Therefore total number of toys sold is equal to, now add these two numbers. Start from the ones place, 2 plus 3 5, then tens, go to the tens place, 1 plus 1 2, hundreds place, go to the hundreds place, 1 plus 4 will be 5, thousands place, 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now write down the answer 5,525 toys were sold by the end of the day. Look at the next sums. On Monday, 1465 envelopes were delivered to the post office, and on Tuesday 1768 envelopes are delivered. How many letters were delivered on both the days? So the first step, write down envelopes delivered to the post office on Monday is 1465. Next, envelopes delivered to the post office on Tuesday, 1768. Now you have to add the two numbers. Go to the ones place, 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry 1 to the tens place. Now 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 will be 13. Write down 3 under the tens column and carry 1 at the over the hundreds place. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 will be 12. So write down 2 under the hundreds place and carry 1 at the thousands place. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Therefore total letters delivered on both the days is 3233. Now write down the answer, 3233 letters were delivered on both the days. Now write down the next one. Ria's mom baked 2410 cookies and Mita's mom baked 2576 cookies. How many cookies do they have altogether? Write down the first step. Cookies baked by Ria's mom is 2410. Cookies baked by Mita's mom is 2576. Therefore total cookies baked, you have to add these two numbers. Now add 6, 0 plus 6 will be 6. Go to the tens place, 7 plus 1 will be 8. Go to the hundreds place, 5 plus 4 will be 9. Write down 9 under the hundreds column. And 2 plus 2 4, write down 4 under the hundreds column. So therefore total cookies baked is 4986. Now write down the answer. Altogether 4986 cookies were baked. Now look at the next one. Sukanya, next problem sum. Sukanya saw 5396 birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw 1240 birds. How many birds did they see altogether? So number of birds Sukanya saw in the bird sanctuary is 5396. Number of birds Tamanna saw in a bird sanctuary is 1240. Therefore, total number of birds they saw altogether is, you have to add these two numbers, go to the ones place. 0 plus 6 will be 6, tens, 9 plus 4 will be 13, write down 3 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 will be 6. Write down 6 under the hundreds column, go to the thousands place, 5 plus 1 will be 6. So, therefore, total number of birds they saw altogether is 6,636. Now write down an answer. Sukanya and Tamanna saw 6,636 birds altogether in a bird sanctuary. Now the next one, in a school there are 2,510 girls, there are 300 boys, more than the number of girls. How many boys are there? So first sentence, in a school there are so much girls, and there are number of boys more than the number of girls. So they are asking how many boys are there. They have given the total number of girls and plus so many extra boys are there along. So they are asking how many boys are there total. So the first step we will write down number of girls in a school is, first write down the units, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Number of girls in a school is 2,510. Next step, number of boys more than girls is how much? 300. Therefore, total number of boys is, you have to add these two numbers, go to the ones place, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Tens place 1 plus 0 will be 1. Hundreds place 5 plus 3 will be 8. And thousand place 2. So, therefore, total number of boys is 2,810. So, that look at the answer. Answer 2,810 boys are there in the school. Next, on Monday, next problem sum. On Monday, 4,457 people visited the Agra fort. Out of these, 125 were men and 75 were children. How many women are there? So the first step is, number of men visited the Agra fort on Monday is 125. Number of children visited the Agra fort on Monday is 75. So first you have to add the number of men visited the Agra fort and number of children visited the Agra fort on Monday. So if you add these two numbers, you will get, go to the ones place, 5 plus 1 will be 10, write 0 under the tens place and carry 1 at the hundreds 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7 will be 0, write down 0 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds. So 1 plus 1, 2. Total number of people visited the Agra fort is 457. Now they are asking, you have got the total number of men, you have got the total number of children, and therefore now they are asking how many total number of women visited. So therefore you have got the total number of people visited the Agra fort on Monday. Therefore number of women visited the Agra fort on Monday is, you have to subtract from the total. The number of women you have to subtract. You have to the number of people. You have to subtract how many children and men are there, were there. So therefore number of men, women visited the Agra fort on Monday is 457 minus 200. So if you subtract these two numbers, 7 minus 0 will be 7, 5 minus 0 will be 5, and 4 minus 2 will be 2. So the answer is 257 women were there. Look at the next one. A baker made 4,156 muffins and had 1,750 in stock. How many muffins does he have in all? So the first step, muffins made by a baker is 4,156. Next, muffins baker had in stock is 1,750. So you have to add these two numbers, and the question is asked how many muffins does he have in all. So if you add these two numbers, 6 plus 0 will be 6. 5 plus 5 will be 10, write down 0 at under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 7 will be 9, write down 9 under the hundreds column. 4 plus 1 will be 5, write down 5 under the thousands place. So therefore total muffins baker had in all is 5,906. Answer, 5,906 muffins baker had in all. Next, 9. Ramesh had 3,150 candies. His sister gave him 1,297 more candies. How many candies does he have in all? Write down the first step. Number of candies Ramesh has 3,150. Next, number of candies his sister gave is 1,297. Therefore, total number of candies, if you add these two numbers, 7 plus 0 will be 7, 9 plus 5 will be 14. Write down 4 under the tens column and carry 1 at the hundreds. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 will be 4. Write down 4 under the hundreds column. Then 3 plus 1 will be 4. Write down 4 under the thousands column. Therefore, total number of candies is equal to 4,447. Therefore, Ramesh has 4,447 candies in all. So, I have done the few revision of problem sums. Go through it and go through all the sums which I have taught you. Thank you.